It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following. Constipation in dogs, what causes it and what to do. Your normally happy-go-lucky dog whines and has problems when you leave him outside. If you've noticed that your dog is having trouble pooping, he may be struggling with constipation. In this video we will talk about what constipation in dogs is, how you can recognize it, and what you can do to help your dog feel better. 1. What is constipation in dogs? Constipation is the infrequent or difficult passage of stool. It is usually a temporary condition, although chronic constipation can be caused by specific conditions. One of the main functions of the colon is water absorption, and when water absorption is disrupted in your dog, retained feces become hard and dry. This makes passing it even more difficult. In some cases, constipated dogs can become dehydrated. Some constipated dogs may pass small amounts of liquid stool or even a little blood due to exertion. You can mistake liquid stool for diarrhea, but the reality is that liquid stool moves past the hard fecal mass as the dog strains to expel. 2. What causes constipation in dogs? Constipation in dogs is usually caused by a lack of fiber, inadequate hydration, or an obstruction such as a tumor, enlarged prostate, or rectal stricture. In some cases, it can be caused by intestinal disease, an abdominal mass, spinal cord problems, or neurological disorders. In other cases, constipation can be caused by medications or mineral imbalances. Some common reasons why dogs suffer from constipation are as follows. A diet lacking in fiber. Eating non-food items that cause blockages. Being an old dog. A more sedentary dog. Tumors of the digestive system. Tumors that narrow the pelvic region. Problems with the anal gland. Enlarged prostate. Dehydration or electrolyte imbalances. Take certain medications. Metabolic diseases, including hypothyroidism and kidney problems. Spinal diseases and injuries. Central nervous system disorders. Stress. Orthopedic disorders that make it difficult for your dog to squat. 3. What are the signs of constipation in dogs? The most common signs of constipation in dogs are infrequent stools, straining or difficulty defecating, and the presence of hard, dry stools. Some dogs may have a decreased appetite, become lethargic, or vomit. 4. What should you do if your dog is constipated? In many cases, dogs that appear constipated actually have severe diarrhea. A dog with diarrhea often has the urge to defecate even though there is no material left to pass. This unproductive exertion is often confused with constipation. If you suspect your dog is constipated, take him to the vet as soon as possible. Your vet can perform an examination and blood work to rule out any underlying medical conditions. If he finds one, he will recommend the appropriate treatment. Your vet may also recommend dietary changes, such as increasing your dog's fiber intake and decreasing his fat intake, to help alleviate constipation. He may also recommend an over-the-counter laxative, such as a fiber supplement or prescription laxative. Additionally, you may suggest increasing your dog's hydration by feeding him wet food. 5. Some things your vet may suggest are pumpkin, high in fiber and moisture, and will be readily eaten by many dogs. Foods and herbs, ginger, wheat bran, psyllium seed powder, and olive oil may be recommended. Hydration, making sure your dog is well hydrated and even adding electrolyte supplements can help. Exercise, it may be suggested to increase your pet's exercise. In severe cases, your vet may need to manually remove the retained feces through manual disimpaction. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend, and until the next video,